everyone. I am teacher Janet Manuel from Hulo Integrated School. I will be your math buddy for this week's e-dream for Mathematics 5. Today we're going to discuss the least mastered skills for Quarter 2, Week 7. Mandunong Kids, handa na ba kayo makinig at matuto? Halina kayo at samahan niyo ako. The topic that we are going to discuss today is all about solving routine and non-routine problems involving division without or with any other operations of decimals and whole numbers that include money using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. Let's review first the keywords used in math word problems involving division. Can you name some keywords that you know? Yes, they are divide, quotient, group and clue, half, ratio of, fraction, percent, equally shared, column, bundled into, parts, each, and others. Let us now recall the steps in solving routine problems. First, understand the problem by knowing what is asked and what are given. Then plan for the problem by determining the operation or operations to be used and writing the number sentence. Then, solve by executing or solving the number sentence. Then last, check and look back by reviewing and checking your answer. Let us also recall the steps in solving non-routine problems. First, read and analyze the problem carefully. Next, tell what is asked and what are given. Then, use other strategies like listing or table methods, guess and test, using number lines, using patterns, and others. Let us now have sample problems. Justin bought 5 cans of corn tuna at a total amount of 132 pesos and 75 centavos. What is the price of a can of corn tuna? What did Justin buy? Yes, 5 cans of corn tuna. How much was the total amount of the corn tuna? Correct, 132 pesos and 75 centavos. How are we going to find the answer? To find the answer, we have to understand the problem by knowing what is asked. The question in the problem is what is the price of a can of corn tuna? It means what is asked is the cost of a can of corn tuna. And what are given? The given in the problem are 5 cans of corn tuna and a total amount of 132 pesos and 75 centavos. Let us now plan for the problem by determining what operation or formula to use. We have to know the cost of a can of corn tuna. So, we have to divide the total amount into 5 cans. So, we will use division. Now, let us state the mathematical sentence. So, our mathematical sentence will be 132 pesos and 75 centavos divided by 5 equals n. Next step is solve the problem or show the solution. So, 132 pesos and 75 centavos divided by 5. We will start with 13. 13 divided by 5 equals 2. Of course, we have to write peso sign on top of peso sign. So, 2 times 5 equals 10. 13 minus 10 equals 3. Bring down 2. 32 divided by 5 equals 6. 6 times 5 equals 30. 32 minus 30 equals 2. Bring down 7. 27 divided by 5 equals 5. Of course, we have to write also the decimal on top of the decimal point. So 5 times 5 equals 25. 27 minus 25 equals 2. Bring down the last digit, 5. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. And 25 minus 25 equals 0. Our quotient is 26 pesos and 55 centavos. It means our answer is the cost of each can of corn tuna is 26 pesos and 55 centavos. Let us now check and look back for our answer by multiplying 26 pesos and 55 centavos by 5. If we will get an amount of 132 pesos and 75 centavos, then our answer is correct. Let us now have this example. Mark and Matt had 77 pesos and 50 centavos and 76 pesos and 25 centavos respectively. Combining their money, they were able to buy 15 notebooks to donate at a charity event. How much did they pay for each notebook? What is asked in the problem? The question in the problem is how much they paid for each notebook. It means what is asked is the amount they paid for each notebook. And what are given? The given in the problem are 77 pesos and 50 centavos, 76 pesos and 25 centavos, and 15 notebooks. What operations are we going to use? Since we have to know first the total amount that Mark and Matt have, we will use addition and division by dividing the total amount by 15 to know how much they paid for each notebook. So the operations we're going to use are addition and division. Now, our mathematical sentence will be 77 pesos and 50 centavos plus 76 pesos and 25 centavos divided by 15 equals n. Let us now solve the problem by finding first the total amount that Mark and Matt have, which will give us 153 pesos and 75 centavos. This amount will be divided into 15 to get the amount of each notebook. So 15 divided by 15 equals 1. Of course, we have to write the peso sign on the quotient. 1 times 15 equals 15. 15 minus 15 equals 0. Bring down 3. 3 divided by 15 cannot be, but we still have to write 0 on top of 3. 0 times 15 is 0. 3 minus 0 equals 3. Bring down 7. 37 divided by 15 equals 2. Of course, we still have to write decimal on top of the decimal. 2 times 15 equals 30. 37 minus 30 equals 7. Bring down 5. 75 divided by 15 equals 5. 5 times 15 equals 75, and 75 minus 75 equals 0. So the quotient is 10 pesos and 25 centavos. It means Mark and Matt paid 10 pesos and 25 centavos for each notebook. Next, we have to check and look back. We only have to multiply the total amount of each notebook by 15 to see if we will get the total amount of money that Mark and Matt have. Let us now have the last example. Tricia has 6 meters and 2 pieces of 4.5 meters of yarn. If she will cut them into 1.5 meters each, how many pieces can she make? What does Tricia have? Yes, she has yarns. What does she want to do with her yarns? Correct. She wants to cut them into 1.5 meters each. What is asked in the problem? The number of pieces of yarn she can make. How are we going to answer the problem? Let us illustrate it using the number line to find the answer. So here is the number line. Let us illustrate the yarns that Tricia have. So 6 meters and 4.5 meters of yarn. She wants to cut them into 1.5 meters each. So for 6 meters, she can have 1, 2, 3, 4 1.5-meter cuts from 6 meters. And for 4.5 meters, you can have 1, 2, and 3 cuts of 1.5 meters each. Same with the last 4.5 meters. So all in all, she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer to our problem, Trisha makes 10 pieces of 1.5 meters of yarn. I hope you've learned a lot from our examples today regarding solving routine and non-routine word problems. Thank you for watching, and again, this is Teacher Janet saying, magsayang mag-aral, tayo ng matuto. Bye everyone! Always keep safe and God bless!